Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to send story to your friends on Instagram. If you're an Instagram user, then you must know about these story features on Instagram. You can easily post your story and let your audience know what you are up to in real life basis. If you want to send the story to your friends, then you can easily do it. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up your Instagram application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you ever come across a story that you'd like to share on your Instagram, simply tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner of the story and tap on Share To from the pop-up menu at the bottom. Select a friend or a group from the suggested list. You can also go directly to Instagram app, choose a contact that you'd like to send the story to, and tap on the circle right next to their name. Now, at the bottom, tap on Share. Once you do that, the link of the story will be sent to the person. If they tap on that link, they'll be able to open up the story that you just shared. That is how you can quickly share or send a story to your friends on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.